And fucking
4,
Sparta.
3, 2,
And also Asgard.
1.
Innervate in 5.
3, 2, 1.
No more bots. We're cooked.
Convoke the spirits in 12.
3, 2, 1.
Flourish in 7. Convoke the spirits in 1.
3, 2, 1.
Fixate.
Web.
Convoke the spirits in 12. Ursal's vortex in 12.
Breaks.
Flourish in 12.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 3, 1.
Tranquility in 12.
Marks and kicks.
3, 2, 1.
Webs. Gonna have some shit under here in a second.
Convoke the spirits in 12. Flourish in 12.
Fixated, just take care here.
3,
Marks.
2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Innervate in 12. Personals in 12.
Next can coming up here.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Convoke the spirits in 9. Flourish in 12.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Marks here
Orange.
again, defensive always.
Iron bark in 12.
Here is
2, 1.
AoE's under. Kicks, please.
Keep Brian up.
Help Brian. Brian has the tank debuff. Gonna tickle. Why can't this kick? No, I'm here. Chilling. Watch your feet as you go over.
Convoke the
Webs
spirits
first.
in 12.
Marks here coming up.
Flourish in 12.
Defensive if you're overlapped.
3, 2, 1.
No, we do triangle,
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, why would we this is for
Don't skip until
not,
P3.
not this one. Sorry, I need help with this kick. Fucking shit.
We get no bull up.
Yeah, if we have one, please.
We do.
Tranquility in
I don't want
12.
your health.
Sorry, that was why I said we could do it.
Yeah, cool.
3,
Do these eggs. You're never not doing eggs in P2.
Invoke the spirits in 12.
Diamond is under.
Flourish in
Just
12.
in case you were wondering where diamond is, here comes the breaks.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Fixate.
Big AoE under here, no bites. Watch your health. Hot maybe. Beat. Webs in 5. Just be very careful with these webs here. Everybody try to go to the same corner, and then webs should try to maybe not be in that corner. Cool. That's kind of good, I guess. Next can is in 7. Feet here, always feet. Next can now. Watch your feet. Second pot, 2 minutes here.
Innervate
When you
in
get
12.
there, fucking rip this thing.
Invoke the spirits in 10.
Feet.
Flourish in 12.
Gotta do a discharge here. I will.
2, 3, 1.
The only one you're
2,
not doing
1.
is triangle.
Triangle. No triangle in
3,
this one. Every other
2,
one is getting done.
1.
Defensives or pots if you're doing one here.
I got diamond spider.
I got circle.
There's a couple worms here. There's a diamond worm and a circle worm. Just kick it if you can. I put our marker on it.
We
Triangle.
missed one.
We missed an egg. How are you
Yeah.
fucking missing this egg?
We're just not standing close enough. I'm just like, I don't know, just watching. it happen.
Stay. 2 people stay here. 2 people go to the other one. So if you get star here, mark star if you can.
Invoke the spirits in
If you get
12.
markers here, if you get circles, stay on the egg
Flourish
back
in
here.
12.
Uh,
We'll have an extra spider here.
Triangle back here, triangle back here.
I need a dispel.
Circle
Yeah,
and triangle back here.
Go
We
back.
got it.
Okay,
3,
cool.
2, 1.
Do star. Holy shit. Okay, there's a spider over there
Spider
that needs
loose
to
in
be
the
picked
back.
up.
Spider in the back.
Shit. I get this kicks. My group just do the kick. Live.
Everybody
Worm,
focus
worm,
that worm.
everybody worm.
Everybody focus that worm.
Triangle needs to kick.
Triangle needs to kick.
Kill
Triangle needs
it
to kick.
and hit it. Someone else kick the next one. Zara does not have it.
I got it.
Range needs to be doing it here. This is a ranged only. It dies.
Get it, get it, get it.
Tranquility in 12.
More interrupt. Okay.
Good. It's fine. Stay here.
Invoke
kill
the
this
spirits
fucking
in
thing.
12.
2, 1.
Flourish in
Watch your
12.
feet.
Fixate.
Don't break any eggs here. Defensive.
3,
Nice job.
Let's go.
Fuck this boss. God, I'm so fucking good. How good am I? God. When you that call like that where it's like, oh, fucking circle stay